Gamma Gani Maro FunX's. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, after a lot of requests, I'm gonna make this beautiful Rajasthani style doll. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here's the doll. So before starting this video, I want to clear this out that I've made this Bharatanatyam doll, and in that I've shown you how you can make this doll at home. So go and check that video out on my channel to see how I made this doll. So let's get started with the next part. So now this is my handmade doll, and as you can see it's braided already. Now what I'll do, I'll keep it aside and let's start the dress up. So over here I've taken this printed fabric, and as you can see it's a kind of ombre design. And so I'll just take this one, then I'll take this beautiful golden lace with yellow fabric as well, and I'll just stick it on the bottom. So I'll just use my fabric glue and I'll just stick this side. Okay, so after sticking it, this is how it looks, as you can see. Now I'll take my doll and I'll just take the measurements if this proper. So when it's done, as you can see, this is the completed fabric. Now what I'll do is that I'll take this fabric and I'll just fold this like this on top of each other. And now I'll just use my fabric glue and I'll just stick this bottom part over here. So just a slight little bit. So now once this is done, as you can see, I'll just twist it outside, and this is the final one. So now I'll take my needle and scissor and I'll start making the ruffle for the piece, which is the lehenga. Now I'll just pull the thread out. This way, and now what I'll do is that I'll tie a knot on the back side. Okay, so once the base is done, now let's make the top half. And it's basically a very short kurti, so I'll just use this beautiful yellow fabric which I used for the lehenga as well, and I'll just fold it over here from the middle like this. And then again I'll fold it from the middle. So after giving these two folds, I'll just take my scissors and I'll cut this part a little bit from here. And then from this side as well. Now as you can see, this is what kind of thread I get it, and now I'll just take my scissors and then cut it from the middle as well, so that I get two equal parts. So now as you can see, these two will be the kurti and these two will be the sleeves. So now let's start sticking the sleeves first on the doll's arm. Over here on the other side as well. Alright, now let's start from the bottom side. So now on the front side as well, I'll go and stick this part on the front side. Okay, so now once this is done, as you can see, I'll just stick from the side as well so that it's nice and thick. And the same I'll do on the other side as well. take this beautiful shiny golden lace and I'll stick it on the kurti and the sleeves as well. And then I'll just twist the same lace and I'll stick it on the neckline. And then this beautiful Rajasthani design on the blouse. So once this is done, this is how it looks. Now let's make the chunri, which is the thing which they wear on the head. So before that, I'll just make the jewelries, and that you can see on the paper. I'll just draw it with my hands, and then I'll just start sticking the gems and the sequins and everything like that. And also I'll stick some white pearl beads in very tiny shape, and I'll make the jewelries. So for the Rajasthani style doll, they have really beautiful and antique jewelries. So I'll just make them and cut it out. And then these will be the bangles. So of course I'll just stick some pearl beads and on this beautiful blue colored foam sheet, glitter foam sheet. And then these will be the bangles, and then this will be the nose ring. So all the jewelries are now completed, and now what I'll do is that I'll start sticking it onto the neck for the necklaces and some for the earrings, then again on the sleeves, and finally the bangles. Then now I'll just stick this on the nose, and it's a nose ring. Then this is the jhumar tika, and this is how it looks. Then this is a beautiful jewelry they wear on their head. So this, as you can see, it's a movable and bendable doll. So now I'll take this yellow colored beautiful jewelry and I'll just make her wear this as well. So tada! This is the final video, guys, and this is what my Rajasthani styled handmade doll looks like. Isn't she beautiful? And I loved her, and personally I love Rajasthani culture. So this is it, guys. If you want to see me make more style videos for this doll, then make sure you comment down below and tell me. And also, guys, I will be seeing you all in my next video. So till next time, bye bye.